Top 5 Best Espresso Blends. For many of us, where our beans came from and how they were farmed holds a lot of weight when it comes to compiling the weekly shopping list. But the brand that wins our loyalty also needs to have a fair price and excellent taste. Number 1, Lavazza Super Crema. The taste of Italy lives in these beans. Because that's where they are both blended and roasted. Lavazza Super Crema has authentic Italian flavor, that's why it's our best choice for espresso brands. The aroma and flavor contain hints of nuttiness, but don't worry. This coffee comes from a nut-free facility, so those of us with food sensitivities can safely enjoy a cup. Number 2, Gevalia. For our premium pick, Gevalia takes the cake. The coffee cake, of course. This rich espresso roast is crafted in the Swedish tradition. It's dark without being bitter. And it even works well in your automatic coffee maker. Flavor meets convenience in this espresso bean blend. Slice up some cake and pour yourself a fresh cuppa, you deserve it. Number 3, Cafe Lane Lave Espresso. A steaming hot cup of quality coffee. With a name that translates to the key, you can't go wrong with Cafe La Lave Espresso. This 100% pure coffee, blended and roasted in the USA, will help you unlock a better day. And at an affordable price to boot, that's why it's our best value pick. Number 4, Gaia. This finely ground dark espresso blend comes in a convenient can. Just pop the lid and scoop. Preferable for those of us who don't wish to grind our own beans or need to be quiet in the mornings. Our favorite quality of Gaia is, by far, their use of a zero-waste to landfill facility in Los Angeles. When you drink this coffee, you can rest assured that it was sustainably sourced and environmentally friendly. Number 5, Lavazza. Lavazza earns yet another spot on our list. This time for their vacuum-packed opaque canister of Cafe Espresso. Indulge your senses with this medium roast made from 100% Arabica beans. That is all. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe to watch more videos.